Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into a topic that every investor should consider. Should I rebalance my portfolio annually? Whether you're just starting out or you've been investing for years, understanding portfolio rebalancing is crucial for maintaining a healthy investment strategy. So, let's get right into it. Now, before we dive into the nuts and bolts of rebalancing, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by market fluctuations? Or perhaps you've wondered if your investment strategy is still aligned with your financial goals? If so, you're not alone. Many investors grapple with these questions, and that's where rebalancing comes into play. Rebalancing your portfolio means adjusting the proportion of different assets back to your target allocation. For example, let's say you initially decided to invest 60% in stocks and 40% in bonds. Over time, due to market performance, your stocks may grow to represent 70% of your portfolio and your bonds only 30%. Rebalancing helps ensure you stick to your original investment strategy, which is crucial for managing risk. Now, you might be wondering, how often should I do this? While some experts advocate for annual rebalancing, others suggest doing it semi-annually or even quarterly, depending on your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Let's break down the pros and cons of annual rebalancing specifically. Pros of annual rebalancing. 1. Maintaining risk levels. By rebalancing annually, you can effectively manage risk. If your portfolio becomes too heavily weighted in high-risk assets, like stocks, you might expose yourself to significant losses during market downturns. Rebalancing helps you stay within your comfort zone. 2. Discipline in investing. Rebalancing annually encourages a disciplined approach. It prevents you from being swayed by market emotions or trends. When you stick to a schedule, you're less likely to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 3. Tax efficiency. When you rebalance annually, you can plan for tax implications. For instance, if you sell off assets that have appreciated in value, you may incur capital gains tax. By being strategic about when to sell, you can potentially minimize your tax burden. Cons of annual rebalancing. 1. Missed opportunities. On the flip side, an annual rebalance might mean missing out on potential growth. If you wait too long to adjust your portfolio, you may miss the chance to capitalize on strong performing assets. 2. Transaction costs. Rebalancing can incur transaction fees, especially if you're buying and selling assets frequently. These costs can eat into your returns, so it's essential to consider whether the benefits of rebalancing outweigh the costs in your situation. 3. Market timing risks. Investing is inherently uncertain, and trying to time the market can be risky. If you decide to rebalance when the market is down, you might end up locking in losses or selling off assets at a low point. Let's put this into perspective with an example. Suppose you have a portfolio worth $10,000 at the beginning of the year, allocated as follows: $6,000 in stocks and $4,000 in bonds. Throughout the year, the stock market performs exceptionally well, and by the end of the year, your portfolio is valued at $12,000, with $8,000 in stocks and $4,000 in bonds. If you don't rebalance, you're now 67% in stocks instead of your original 60%. If the market takes a downturn the following year, your portfolio could be significantly affected. By rebalancing back to your original target, you sell some stocks and reinvest in bonds, helping to mitigate risk and stabilize your portfolio. According to a study by Vanguard, portfolios that are rebalanced regularly can yield better long-term results, with less volatility over time. They found that maintaining your target asset allocation could potentially improve returns by 0.5% to 1% annually, which can add up significantly over the years. So, should you rebalance your portfolio annually? The answer is, it depends. Consider your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and the current market conditions. Annual rebalancing can help maintain your risk levels and promote a disciplined investing approach, but it's also essential to weigh the potential drawbacks. If you find the idea of rebalancing overwhelming, consider speaking with a financial advisor to create a strategy that works for you. And remember, the key to successful investing is staying informed and proactive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial insights, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Have you rebalanced your portfolio this year? Let us know how it went. Until next time, happy investing.